welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case it is your first time in this channel, karibu sana, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell to be updated when I post a new video. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back, for always commenting, for always sharing, and also for always liking my videos. I love you so much and I can't thank you enough, guys. So guys, today is on a Saturday. It's 6th of May and we have an event. We are going to my sister's in love bridal shower. And guys, I decided to tag you along so that I can show you how the bridal shower is going to be like, because I know, guys, it is going to be a bomb. And to my brother, what I would like to tell you is that I love you so much. I know that you're going to come across this video someday or even by next week, because I know you're my follower. I love you so much and congratulations for this. I know it's not easy, and the heavier part, it's almost over. Not even it's almost over, the heavier part is over. We are at the end of it, and congratulations to my sister in love. I love you so much and welcome to our family. We really love you. I know that we really love you, from my mom and from my sisters. Karibu sana to our family. I know that now we are like 4 sisters, and please, because I know I'm the firstborn, don't you ever feel that you were left out. If you ever want to talk to me, kindly feel free to talk to me and I will be there for you. So guys, I want to show you that I want to show you the outfit of today. We are going to be wearing white, but I decided not to wear it from the house because I'm a little bit far, so I decided to go and change at the place. And guys, I want to show you what I'm wearing today, because guys, I feel so fine, and my extension is not that good looking, but I am going to rock it just like that. Guys, my hair is so snatched. Nimeitengeneza just right now. And guys, let me show you what I have worn, because I feel so good. So I am going to show you from my mirror what I'm wearing. So guys, and sorry guys for the lighting, I know it is not so good, but I am going to work on it very soon. So guys, I'm wearing my black top inside, and then I have my jeans. They are high-waisted. I have my white handbag, and then I have my black Air Force shoes, and then I have this blazer. It's cropped and it is double-breasted, if that's I'm sure that's the correct name for it. And then my one button right here imekatika, so I am going to look for another button to fix it. So guys, this is the outfit of today, and without talking too much, let's get into the video and let's meet later at the bridal shower. Peace.
Oh, umeweza. Usijaribu kuharibu hiyo makeup. Munade mbele yake. Chukua hizo machozi. Karibu.
Ile jake zile pale.
Unakapoa. No, take photos na hiyo.
So guys, I am going to leave you to enjoy the decor of the bridal shower. welcome to this video. You are watching me live from my bed because I'm on my bonnet and I'm on my tea because I woke up to cook breakfast. I first took my shower and then I changed to this. So this is me. So I went outside to buy breakfast, but I didn't even get my end. I felt so bad. So I've taken just bread and some smokies, and then I came back to bed because I was feeling so lazy because yesterday I arrived at home very late, at almost around 10:30, because I went to town after we finished the bridal shower. I went to town. I didn't find akukwa na matatu, so I decided to go and thread my eyebrows. I hope sijui kama mnaziona vizuri. I did thread them yesterday and I came home. So guys, I'm so sorry that I didn't even film the whole bridal shower because I felt it wasn't good for me to film. It's not like everybody would want to appear. Yani, I didn't want to take videos, or I know there are people who are not comfortable to be filmed, so I thought of I just show the decorations and the food, because the food was so amazing, and the decor, guys, it was so breathtaking. Yani, I just fell in love with it because it was, I know you've seen it earlier, it was a touch of green, the emerald green and white, and guys, oh my god, it was an amazing event. So guys, we did the bridal shower. We started at around 2, if I may say, because and people were so late. I know how to keep time because nilifika tao at around 10, and the bridal shower was supposed to start at 11:30. Nilifika tao at around 10, and then because there was another lady who we were to share Uber. And then after nimefika tao at around 10, nikamngoja because she was always telling me that she's almost in town. So nikimpigia simu ananiambia, oh, I'm almost there. So the last time I called her, it was almost 10:40 something, and I was getting so impatient. So I told her that I'm going to just go because mimi sikuwa nimechange and they had already changed. So I was feeling so late. So I went there. I was arriving there at around 11:10, and I was so shocked. I was so nervous because I thought yani kila mtu ashafika and it's only me, and mind you, I had not changed to the outfit of the day. So nikafika at around 10, I went upstairs, I changed to my white dress, which was pretty, but I was not even feeling comfortable with it. But I guess it's because I don't wear dresses. But some people complimented that the dress was okay. So after I changed, I decided to do my makeup, and it was almost 12, and I was feeling so late. So I imagine did my makeup. I didn't even do my eyebrows. I just did my face, nilipaka foundation, and then I was like, it's not bad, let me just go like that, because I feel that I was holding other people. Yani I thought that yani nilikuwa nafikiri nasikia tu nimechelewa. Yani I was cursing myself that I didn't go so early. But guys, the ladies were some of them were so late, because as I have said, we started the event at around 2. So guys, she was there. We surprised her because she was not aware. Obviously, it was a surprise event. It was a surprise bridal shower. She came, and then we started the event. The food was, oh my god, as I have said, the food was amazing. Like, I always feel that yani napendanga tu chakula. Like, it's like not even me, everybody loves food. Kila mtu anapenda kukula, and most of good food. It was good food, I'm telling you. It was so sweet, and everybody was looking so amazing. I just wish that I had taken the video, but anyways, mtaridhika with what you've seen before in the videos. So guys, later in the evening, weather ikaanza kuchange and tulipeana gifts. I know I remember at my last video, you've seen that I also did say that last weekend I went to town and bought some bags. So one of them was for my sister-in-law. That's the gift that I managed to get, because I looked everywhere. I looked for good things. I didn't get, and I didn't even have an idea of I didn't have an idea of a gift, a perfect gift. But I think a bag or a handbag was okay. So that's what I gave her as the gift. And also we had a very huge cake to Likula, and then it was so amazing. So we finished the bridal shower, and then we were heading home. Anyway, the bridal shower was so amazing. And guys, what I can tell them again is congratulations to them, and also to my brother, also congratulations. And guys, I should tell you, I should just advise you guys, you should be very keen on looking for a wife. If you are a man, just take your time. Take your time, because for me, I can say that my brother got the best wife, because she's the best. Yani ni dem hana maneno mingi, she's always yani hako tu, yani ashughulikangi na vile mnasema. Yani she's so humble, she loves the Lord. So guys, that is the situation of my bed. I want to change from this white bed sheet to the gray one, this one. And my pillows I washed them yesterday. So this is the blanket that I've been using, because the other one, sijui kama mnaona there, it is there, and I want to take it to the laundry. And then guys, my closet doesn't look good. There are my jackets, and then up there, yani kila kitu iko kila mahali. And then I'd like also to at least nifagie carpet yangu, because it has a lot, it is so dirty. And then my sofa is here. It's not looking the very best. Nafanya arrange, nichukue hizo vitu ziko hapo, and then I arrange them. And then that's my mirror. I know you can't see it so well. Yes, you can't see it so well, because I'm using my ring light. I told you that my house is very dark, so I want to clean. Also, I want also to clean. Oops. I also want to clean my mirror, and because I don't have the serviettes, I'll use something with the water, and later nipanguze na tissue yenye haina maji. So guys, let's get into work. And also, that's my kitchen. Iko tu yani. You guys, that's my fridge. I also want to clean it. I also want to clean the cooker, and also I also want to make sure that the sink doesn't even have vyombo zenye ni chafu. So guys, let's get into the video. done with what I was supposed to do. This is the state of the bed right now. At least nimetandika kidogo. And guys, my closet is well arranged. Here are my coats. And then guys, don't mind the blanket which is behind there. I am going to take it to the laundry and make sure that it is washed. And then guys, comment down below what I should do with this mirror. This is the mirror that I was using before I purchased my other mirror. Comment down below what I should do with it. And then at least I have nimefagia carpet yangu. It's not that dirty, but I'll have to wash it next weekend. And here is my couch. At least nimetoa like everything which was on top and nimeipanguza. And then that's my mirror. I have panguzed it with something wet na nikaimalizia kuipanguza juu with something a tissue which is not wet. And then I have already washed my floor. This is the current situation of the house. Nikapanga viatu there. Guys, please pray for me so that I can buy a shoe rack. That is my next project of this house. And then again, I have washed my what is it called? I have washed my cooker, and then nimepanguza fridge yangu. And then that is the current situation of the sink. It's very clean and everything is very well arranged in the house. Guys, that is the end of the video. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel to join this amazing family. And also make sure that you turn on the notification bell to be updated when I post a new video. Guys, thank you so much for always supporting me, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end of it. So guys, let's meet on our next episode. Bye.